If cockroaches keep appearing around your drains, kitchen corners, or other hard-to-reach areas, don't just spray randomly and hope for the best. Today, I'm making a simple, homemade cleaning and pest deterrent spray using a few common household ingredients. Let's make it step by step and see how to use it around problem areas. First, take a clean mixing bowl. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used in household cleaning because it can help loosen grime and absorb unwanted odors. Next comes an ingredient you probably wouldn't expect in a homemade pest deterrent mixture, chili sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce to the baking soda. Chili-based ingredients contain pungent compounds that can make an area less appealing to some insects. Mix it gently until the ingredients begin to combine. Now add 150 milliliters of white vinegar. Vinegar is widely used for household cleaning because its acidity can help break down certain residues and reduce unpleasant odors. Pour it in slowly because the mixture may fizz as the ingredients come together. Next, add a small handful of whole cloves. Cloves have a strong natural aroma and are commonly used in homemade insect deterrent recipes. Add them to the mixture and stir everything together slowly. The combination now has a much stronger scent, which may help make treated areas less inviting to cockroaches. Finally, add 70% rubbing alcohol. Alcohol is commonly used for cleaning suitable hard surfaces, but remember that it is highly flammable. Keep it away from flames, sparks, cigarettes, and heat, and always work in a well-ventilated area. Add it carefully and mix everything thoroughly. And while this mixture is coming together, tell me where you're watching from. Drop your country and city in the comments. I'd love to see how far this video is reaching. And you may even get a special shout-out in a future video. Once everything is mixed, take a clean spray bottle and place a funnel into the opening. The funnel makes transferring the mixture much easier and helps prevent unnecessary spills. Slowly pour the mixture through the funnel and into the spray bottle. Take your time so you don't splash the mixture onto your skin or into your eyes. Once the mixture is inside, remove the funnel and securely close the spray bottle. Give it a gentle shake to distribute the ingredients evenly. And that's it. Your homemade cleaning and pest deterrent spray is ready to use. Now let's take it to the problem area, the drain. Apply a light amount around the surrounding floor area and other suitable hard surfaces where cockroaches are frequently seen. Avoid spraying electrical outlets, food contact surfaces, or areas accessible to children and pets. You can also focus on cracks, corners, and possible entry points where cockroaches may be traveling. The strong-smelling ingredients may help make these areas less inviting to pests. For better results, remember that spraying alone isn't enough. Keep drains and surrounding areas clean. Remove food and standing water, and seal cracks or gaps where cockroaches may enter. If you found this homemade pest deterrent idea useful, save this video for later and share it with someone who's dealing with cockroaches at home. And don't forget to comment your country and city below. I might choose your comment for a special shout-out in the next video.